Hello again, Rudy Campos with the Rudy Campos home selling team at eXp Realty. And again, just to remind you, doing these videos, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. It's Rudy Campos Realtor. Also, click like on this video, share this with your friends and family. There's a lot of valuable information for those of you who want to invest, not just in real estate, but in multifamily. Okay, thank you. Multifamily research and neighborhood research. So here's what we have to do. Before buying a multifamily property, it's crucial to conduct a thorough research of the neighborhood to ensure that it aligns with your investment goals and provides a suitable environment for your tenants. Here are some of the neighborhood research steps that you need to consider. Number one, crime rate. Basically, you want to investigate the crime rates in the neighborhood by reviewing data from local law enforcement agencies. Or you can also do that online using the resources online. Lower crime rates generally attract tenants and contribute to a safer environment. Number two, rental market analysis. You have to evaluate the rental market demand and trends in the neighborhood. Research rental prices, vacancy rates, and tenant preferences to gauge the potential rental income and market stability. Number three, school district quality. Assess the quality of the school district in the neighborhood, especially if your target tenants are families. A good school district can enhance the property's appeal and also rental value. Number four, the accessibility and transportation. Consider the accessibility of the neighborhood to the public. Transportation is important. Major roads, highways, and amenities such as shopping centers, restaurants, and parks. Easy access to transportation and amenities can attract tenants and increase property value. Number five, local economics indicators. Research the local economic indicators such as employment rates, job growth, and industries driving the economy. A stable and growing economy can contribute to the property's long-term value and also the rental demand. Number six, development plans. Investigate any planned or ongoing development projects in the neighborhood, such as infrastructure improvements, new businesses, or new residential developments. These projects can impact property values and rental demand in the future. Number seven, tenant demographics. Understand the demographics of the neighborhood. What makes up this population, including age groups, household sizes, and income levels. Tailor your property features and marketing strategies to attract the target demographic. Number eight, property appreciation potential. Analyze historical property appreciation rates in the neighborhood to assess the potential for future property value appreciation. A neighborhood with a history of steady appreciation may offer better long-term investment prospects. Number nine, neighborhood amenities. Evaluate the availability of amenities and services in the neighborhood, such as grocery stores, healthcare facilities, hospitals, entertainment options, and recreational areas, parks, beaches. Desirable amenities can attract tenants and enhance the property's value. And number 10, local regulations and zoning laws. Familiarize yourself with local regulations, zoning laws, and landlord and tenant regulations governing multifamily properties in the residential neighborhood. Compliance with legal requirements is essential for a successful investment. By conducting thorough neighborhood research, you can make informed decisions. when purchasing a multifamily property, and also position yourself for success in the real estate market. It is said that buy the worst property in the best neighborhood. The opposite to that is also don't buy a property in the worst neighborhood. So hopefully this information is valuable to you and helpful to you in considering making a multifamily investment. If you have any questions on any topic or anything that's been discussed this evening, please call me directly at 805-479-2992. You can send me a direct message by text to that number. And until we speak again, have a great day.